Okay, there you go. Say hi, Auntie Mary.
Hi, Auntie Mary.
Say hi, Auntie Mary.
Hi, Auntie Mary.
Say hi, Auntie Mary.
Hi, Auntie Mary.
Say hi, Auntie Mary. Okay, go back. Now, go back. Say hi, Uncle Byron.
Hi, Uncle Byron.
Now, so we miss you.
We miss you.
Say something. What do you guys want to say?
We love you. Give me a big bear hug.
Anything else you guys want to say?
We love you.
You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say so long.
So long.
That's not nice. Okay. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.